Hello everyone. So as you know that myself Reddy Rathur. So my mother always says that now I am 10 years old, so I should know how to cook some dishes. So today I am here with the one recipe, the Falooda ice cream. So it's very easy to make and it's very delicious. So please try it at your home. And I'm gonna tell you a secret. This is one of my favorite dishes. So please try it at your home and it's very easy. You all can make if you are 10 years old. So you can see that I have 1 liter milk over here and I have already put in 200 ml of water, which is approximately 1 glass. So first we are gonna let the gas and put the 1 liter milk over here to boil. So the milk is boiling, but you should remember one thing always, that when you lit the gas, there should be an elder with you that time. So now you all can see that the milk is boiled. So now we are gonna add the Falooda mix. I can smell it now only. So now we are going to stir it continuously for 10 to 15 minutes. So now you all can see that it has become thick and creamy. So now we will turn off the flame and let it cool. And when it will be cool, we will refrigerate it. And do not deep freeze it. So one thing I want to tell you, that I have used the Wickfield brand, but you can use any brand Falooda mix. That's not necessary that you use the Wickfield one. So now you all can see that after 30 minutes it is cooled. So now we are gonna refrigerate it to chill it. And remember, don't deep freeze. So now you all can see that after 2 hours it's ready to serve. But to serve it, you will need some cashews, pistachios, raisins, tutti frutti and cherries. And the most important thing, the strawberry ice cream if you are making the strawberry flavored Falooda. And 1 scoop of the scooped ice cream. So let's serve it. So now you all can see that I have served the Falooda in the glass. So now it's time to decorate it with some ice cream and nuts. It's looking very yummy. So 1 more scoop. So that's all for the ice cream. So now let's decorate it with some cashews. Pistachios. Raisins. Tutti frutti and cherry. And at last one cherry at the top. You can see it's looking very delicious, right? So now it's time to taste it. Guys, it's mouth melting and very delicious. Please try it at your home. It's very easy also. And if you have not subscribed our channel till now, please subscribe it to watch more videos like this.